I'm back. You already know who it is. I will hope. Or unless you're new, then subscribe. I'm back. As you guys may know, as I've said it in the last video, that this is my 50th video. And you might be wondering why I'm standing so far back. I just want you to see how fresh I look with my button up, and you can't see, but I have khaki pants. Don't worry about why I have this on. Today, I was gonna go in public, but I don't feel like doing that. I don't want to go in public. So I'm gonna do something else in my house. But this time, it won't be in my room. It'll be in my kitchen. But for now, I'm about to put some regular clothes on, and I gotta go drop something off. So when I drop that off, then I will be doing the thing in the kitchen. Wondering what it is? I'll tell you. As you may know, or if you know me enough, close friends, I can't cook to save my life. It's bad that I overcooked popcorn. That doesn't matter. I'm gonna attempt to make a smoothie. Cause how hard is it to mess up a smoothie? And then I'll talk about something a little extravagant. It may not be extravagant, but to me it's extravagant. I will see you in a little bit. Yeah, I'm not gonna do all that. That didn't work. Okay, I'm back after spending like 3 hours trying to go do stuff and drop something off, which was like 30-40 minutes away. And while I was driving, after spending all that time eating, I had plenty of time to think about what I wanted to do for this video, and then I didn't have anything. So I spent a while thinking or listening to music to clear my mind. I was sitting on the toilet thinking. I was upside down. I even stopped thinking so I could think, and I got it. I'm going to be thinking about the things that I hate the absolute most. I hate things like a lot. I'm also going to make a smoothie, like I said. Alright, so the top of my head is probably going to be going, but I got my stuff, and then I got the blade. I don't even really care. So I got everything. Go wash it out, and I will put whatever fruit I see in the refrigerator in the smoothie and hope it is good. It doesn't work like that, but it should. Whoop-how! And I'm back with it all washed and stuff. What kind of fruit do you guys want in this? kind of fruit. I don't know. It's gonna be a surprise one. So actually, let's move the camera so you guys can see what I'm gonna be throwing in here. So you can see what I'm gonna be throwing in this smoothie. There. Now you can see what is inside of the bowl. It's going to be delicious. Let me know if you guys can see that. See exactly what I'm putting in here. Because you should. Delicious. You don't want to miss out on this one. You do not want to miss out on this process of making a delicious smoothie. If you miss out, sucks to be you, because I'm not repeating it. You should have been paying attention and you could have seen what I put in here. But if you missed out, you're out of luck. What was that? You didn't get to see it. Well, you get to watch me put ice in it at least, right? Right? I'm not going to show you the inside of my freezer because I don't want you going in there and taking all my snacks that I keep secretly from my parents under the ice behind the boxes of frozen foods 30 degrees from the carton of ice cream under the railing under the frozen fruits. Under the frozen freezer. Okay. There's some ice. Some more ice. Some more ice. Now, next, I gotta add the cup and some money. I miss. And some money. This is not sugar. It's salt. So stop being weird. Do you want me to add peanut butter or jelly or both or a whole sandwich? Nah, that's next time. Okay. Sounds delicious. So, one thing that I hate when people, well, not everyone, because not everyone wears a hat, but when some people, they have hats and they just like sit it like that on the top of their head and it's not doing anything. To me it doesn't look cool. It looks ignorant because it's defeating the purpose of wearing a hat, I think. Especially when it's like, or when you have it on the back of your head and it's going up like this. What is that going to protect? It's not going to protect your face from the sun. I need to get this ice up off the ground. I'm gonna get that. Like, whoever created that is a monster, and you shouldn't wear hats if you're just gonna sit it like that on your head. It looks stupid. Okay. The next thing despise or an abundance of things. Not like if it was an abundance of money, I wouldn't be complaining. But if it was like an abundance of something that you have to deal with, then it gets really annoying. Like dishes. If there's a bunch of dishes in the sink, that is annoying. If there's an abundance of there's a lot of stuff on the table, it's annoying because you have to take the time to clean it up. And she's gonna be like, oh, you think you're slick talking trash about me, or not talking trash, but like talking about me or something, but I'm not. Because my mom would decimate my kneecaps. I suck, generally suck at multitasking. I can't. It's either I talk or I make the smoothie, or I talk or I make the smoothie. I should add something else in the whatever that is, but I'm talking about things that I don't like. I hate insects. Insects. Like, or bugs in general. Feels like walking a house and there's like 2 spiders, you would be fine. But if you walk somewhere and there's like 100 of them, they can have the house. I'm not gonna go in there by myself. If it's like a black mass sitting in the corner on the floor, I'm not messing with it. I'm gonna grab my keys and a couple outfits and I'm going somewhere else, or I'm gonna sleep in my car. I'm gonna give them like 3 days to get out my house, and then I'll find someone to call an exterminator, or I'll call one for myself. I keep like moving the top half of my head or whatever, but now that I talked a little bit about things I don't like, I'm gonna go get the lid to place on my creation. Yum. As I'm trying to get this on, I have another thing. That might get too loud. I have a lid. Another thing that I hate are girls or boys that think they're all that and talk bad about people and how they look or what they're wearing. And they look like the karate lady from SpongeBob when Sandy took a blow dryer and blew her lips off. And I'm like, you can't call someone else ugly if you're ugly yourself. It's not how it works. But they managed to do it, and then that's how fights begin. The more I record standing here with no one in this house, it shows how lonely I can be talking to myself when there's a camera right there and parents are looking and they're like looking at him being all lonely, talking to himself. Smoothie time. Oh yeah, I'm not going to be ignorant and have you guys listen to the blender doing its job blending. I'm going to put some like elevator music. I really hope the quality on this video is trash because I like my stuff really low quality and a little blurry and yeah, stands out. You might not like it, but I do. Makes me feel different, and it's not a crisp video unless I am outside. While I was thinking about stuff to make, I dropped my sauce in the car, and I was so upset. It was the best sauce that I've had in a while from that restaurant. Because usually it's like all cold and thick. This time it was warm and it was liquidy. I don't want to use a big word because I don't want to sound stupid. But all right, let's do this. Let's do this. The cord wouldn't reach the wall, so I'll move the camera. Gotta inspect it. It needs more ice. Okay, I just stepped on a piece of ice that I missed when I was cleaning up the floor, and it felt like a Lego just went through the bottom of my foot. Okay. Well. Yeah, it's not a smoothie anymore. I felt that part. Looks like a. Oh wait. You might want to see my really nice looking face, right? Okay. Now it's time to taste it. I don't know how it's supposed to stay. Great. Camera fell. I don't know how this is supposed to stay. It's so thick. It won't even pour. Thick. Yeah, I'm gonna just go get a spoon. Really edgy or like really cringy or really boring or really stupid or really annoying. It doesn't bother me. I'm doing something that may waste your time, but I enjoy doing it. So I'm just gonna keep doing it until I get tired of doing it. And then I won't do it anymore. But, oh wait. I don't need that. I have something better. Yes, shout out to Kiana for getting me this. Yes. 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 It tastes like mango skin. What? It's safe to say that I don't know how to make a smoothie. This is not how I wanted my 50th video to be. That's all. I suck at cooking or blending because that's what was happening. So I'm gonna get really close and personal with you guys. That I left from today. They asked about my channel, and I told them it was my name. Meaning it is my name, but I don't know how I forgot that it was how people pronounced it wrong. But, okay. I'm Malachee, and I don't know what I'm doing. I never knew what I was doing. I don't think I'll ever find out. And I don't think my videos will get any better. So I'm gonna go before I keep you guys for like 30 minutes talking about how I suck at making a smoothie with 2 ingredients. All right. Peace.
I walk around like that nigga. Finger on the trigger. If a nigga wants some smoke, I let it drop.